In this video, I will show you how you can disable Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. From here, just tap on Bixby. Now if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find an option called Leave Bixby. Now just tap on it. Over here, just select Leave Bixby. Now just tap on OK. Now it will ask you to enter the password of your Samsung account. After you do that, then just tap on OK. Now just tap on OK. Now as you can see, it is saying that we are in the process of leaving Bixby and it can take up to a week to do so. And during that time, we will not be able to sign up for Bixby using the same account. Just tap on OK. As you can see, we have successfully disabled Bixby on our Samsung phone. Now if you also want to remove Bixby from the power button, then under Advanced Features, just tap on Side button. Tap on Long Press. Now instead of Bixby over here, just select Power Off menu or Digital Assistant from Google. I will select the Power Off menu. Now after you do that, not only you will disable Bixby from your Samsung phone, but you will also remove Bixby from the power button, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.